guy who, as a response to the Dubai 30 by 30 fitness challenge, made a commitment to swim 10 kilometers per day, every day, for 30 days. If you want to know more about Paolo and what he's doing, check out the video in somewhere here on the screen. Anyway, today is his second to the last day. Tomorrow he'll be finishing up and completing the 300 kilometers, which means by now he has already swam 280 kilometers. That's pretty awesome. Just pause for a moment and imagine how far 280 kilometers is and how difficult and challenging it is to swim. I'll wait. Anyway, today is a special day because apart from swimming 10 kilometers, he'll be doing it on the open ocean, crossing the Persian Gulf and going to the World Islands, which is 4 kilometers off the coast of Dubai. And he's in the midst of that now. He's accompanied by 4 kayakers and 2 other swimmers. And this is exciting and fun. So the World Islands is a group of artificial islands off the coast of Dubai sitting on the Persian Gulf, and it's called the World Islands because it resembles a world map. The artificial islands are made to the shape of each country in the world, and that's where they're headed now. It's so fun though. It's not easy, but it's challenging and it's enjoyable. This is the support team on the boat. As you can see, they're taking their jobs very seriously, making sure that Paolo's safe and totally focused, completely focused on Paolo. Emilia, how do you feel about Paolo on his day 28?
I'm excited, it's about to finish. It's only 1.5 days to go, so very impressive. I will try to swim for the last 3 kilometers. Let's see if I can keep up. They are way too fast.
I think they're halfway towards the World Islands, if not more. So that's the coast from where they came from. As you can see, it's not that near anymore, and they're going there to the World Islands. And so they've started once again after a brief rest, drinking their fluids and stuff. And now they're on once again. Folks, Paolo has done it, the penultimate swim towards the World Islands, and now they're headed back, and it's such a beautiful day. No untoward incidents, no bad experiences so far. Everything's been smooth except for one kayak that they had to put on board because it was putting in water. But otherwise, Paolo's in good shape, the other swimmers are in good shape, the kayakers are doing their job pretty well, and we're here at the boat still, focused on Paolo. So we've got support from Emilia. She's gonna join Paolo in the last maybe 1/4.
Maybe 3 kilometers. Let's see if I can support.
This is so cool. So Emilia has decided to join Paolo on the last 25% of the journey. On the way back, she's right there in the mix. Now people want to keep on jumping. This is Abdullah now, and he's gonna join Paolo too. This is amazing, he's gonna complete 300 kilometers. He's gonna complete this goal by tomorrow, and I hope to be here as well. But it's just so impressive, it's just so amazing, and it's just so inspiring to see Paolo being able to do this and finish this and set a goal and commit to it, and he was able to do it. So hats off to you, Paolo. I have tremendous respect for you. I'm so glad that I was able to witness your efforts and your journey swimming for 10 kilometers. just amazing. So if you finish watching till the end, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to follow Paolo Mangilinan, his Instagram and Facebook accounts. I'll put a link down in the description box below as well. So what do you think? It's awesome, right?